Ashla Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a survival clay pot cooler. For this, you're going to need some tape, some sand, some water, a towel, and 2 clay pots, one that'll fit inside of the other. The first thing you're going to do is tape the holes in the bottom of your pots. Now put a layer of sand in the base of the larger clay pot. When you place the small pot inside the larger one, you want to make sure they sit flush at the top, so the amount of sand you'll need in the base will vary. Now put your smaller pot in and surround it by sand. All right, now that we've got this done, we're going to go ahead and add water to our sand. Okay, now our last and final step is going to be taking a wet towel and placing it on top of our pot. So the great thing about this hack is that most people have these lying around their house with flowers in them, so you may not even have to run to the store for supplies. Or if the kids are outside playing, you can always put some fresh snacks in it so they stay cool and the kids can grab them whenever they want. This cooler is going to work best when it's out of direct sunlight and getting a little wind. Now, we've shown you how to make it, but we're also going to be testing out the temperature of the inside of the pot versus outside. All right, so inside of our pot, we've got a nice 38 degrees, and out here, it's 64 degrees. So as you can see, it works, and if you ask me, that is pretty cool, no pun intended. I want to know, do you guys know of any cooler survival hacks? Let us know in the comments below, and then make sure you subscribe to Rated Red's YouTube channel. From the cabin, I'm Ashla Taylor.